Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today we have Vienna's BarkBox for December. Do you want to know what's in her box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so Vienna's BarkBox just arrived. It was MIA for a very, very long time. I was really hoping she would get it before Christmas, but no. But that's okay because you got other gifts for Christmas and now she'll have something else to open right now with you guys. So who wants to know what's in her box? Let's go ahead and get in there. You want to see what's in your box? Do you want your toys? Yeah, you want your toys? Here, sit right here. Sit on your butt. Thank you. Okay. So let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what theme. I did pull the tape off, but let's see what the theme is going to be for December. It's Peanuts! Snoopy! You want your Snoopy? Do you want a Snoopy? Just moving her head. So that is what it looks like when you first open it up. It does have Snoopy right there. And oh, how cute! Do you see your toy? Do you not see that? Look, look, you see Snoopy? She's like, give me that. Now you perk up and sit down. Okay, let me get this stuff out. Can you sit? I know, I'm messing you up, huh? All right, so let's just show them this one now. It says Dog House Snoopy, and this is for 0 to, she's pulling Woodstock out of the box. Hold on, baby girl, can you wait? Look. Yeah, I got this one. Oh, look, I got Snoopy. Yeah. Okay, so this is what Snoopy looks like. And it looks like, yes, he looks like, yeah, he'll come out of the house. Whoa. Did you see that? She's like, oh. So it does actually come out of the house too. Let me pull this off. Their toys are just so, whoa, don't fall, mama. Sit on your butt. I don't want you to fall. You have to sit, okay? Okay, so here is Snoopy. Is there, oh, there's a crinkle in his head. And here's his house. Girl. Hold on, she goes back to Woodstock. Okay, so here is his house and it even has the little Christmas lights on it. She's, here, take him then. Okay. Whew. Oh, you want his house? Look, he goes inside of here. Look, baby. Look. Da-da-da-da. How do you get his big old head back in there? There we go. Okay. So Snoopy is back in there for now. I don't want you to fall. All right, so here's Woodstock, and Woodstock's holding a little present. So Squeak and a little crinkle in there with his little hair, and then the little present has a little bungee. She's like, Mom, that's mine, not yours. Is that yours? Mm-hmm. Okay, so now that you've seen the toys, let's see what treats she got. Okay, so we got Good Duck Chuck Duck Recipe Dog Treats. How cute. And then, okay, so this is Lucy's Pulled Pork Recipe Dog Treats. How cute. And then it says Franklin's Famous Lamb Chops, Lamb Recipe Dog Treats. Now, if you guys have been following me, then you know they did customize her box to have 3. Normally you get 2 with 1 long chew and she never would eat those. So they changed her account to have an extra bag of treats, which that's perfect because she eats these all the time. She's actually, the only dog treats she gets now is only from BarkBox, to be honest. I don't even buy them anywhere else. Plus we get this box every month. So every month she gets 3 new bags of treats. So when things start piling up, I share with other dogs in the family. She loves these treats. Like she has a schedule when she wants her own treat and that's all she wants. She won't do anything else until she gets them too. She's so unique. If you guys want to see what the different toys were for this month, here they are. So here's a different Woodstock actually. She got this Woodstock. So there's this Woodstock, there's that one, here's this one, a snowman. That's the one that she did get. It looks like there'd be Snoopy by himself. And then here's a different one that has like a big old Snoopy Claus doghouse. So there's like a big old present that's probably for bigger dogs. But aren't those just so cute? How cute. Oh, look at Psychic Help, 5 cents. Tell us the best advice you ever got from your dog. Play more, take naps, is always to be excited to see a friend. The dog tour is in. Instead of doctor, the dog tour. I just love this box. They have the best customer service, you guys. A lot of other companies could be taking some notes off of this company, let me tell you. So if you do want a little bit more information about BarkBox, I'll let you know, and then I'm gonna set her down and let her play with her toys. So if you were to do this BarkBox, the monthly subscription is $29 a box. If you do 6 months like I do, it brings it to $25. And if you do 12 months like I should have done, it would have brought it down to $22. If your fur baby is not 100% happy, they will definitely make it right and help you out. Like I said, they changed mine. Then they also have a super chewer box. So if you have a super chewer, which she started with, but it was too tough of toys for her, so we changed. But the super chewer, it comes with 2 tough toys, always fluff free, super durable, 2 full-size bags of treats, always made in the US or Canada, and 2 meaty chews. Now that one, if any of the toys are ever destroyed, they will replace them 100% because they are made to not be destroyable. That's how tough they are. That box is $39 if you just do month to month. 6 months is $34, and if you do 12 months, it brings it to $29. And I will link them all down below if you would like to take a look at them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her down, see which one of these she ends up playing with first. So if you wanna see her play with her toys, living her best life like normal, then here you go. You ready for your new toys? Okay, you guys, so that was her playing with her toys, living her best life. It must be so nice, you know? So that is everything for this particular month, you guys. Comment down below, what did you think of this month's theme with the peanuts? Like, oh my gosh, Snoopy, that is just so cute. I think the only other one that I would say would be runners up to that would be when they did the Scooby-Doo box. That one was really cool. And she still has those she has a little mystery machine and Scooby-Doo. Yes, you got your Scooby-Doo. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching her open her box and play with her toys. She definitely loves to play, let me tell you, huh? All right, you guys, so comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this month's box. Your positive interaction means the world, and we greatly do appreciate it. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out. Say bye.